Welcome to Yummy's Kitchen. Mayong adlaw sa tanan, magandang araw sa lahat. Today, I'm showing you one of my favorite dessert or snack, the most delicious carrot cake with fluffy, moist, not too sweet, and covered with lots of chocolates. So let's begin. Now, let's preheat the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. In the food processor, let's combine the chopped carrots, the eggs, the sugar, the flour, baking powder and salt, buttermilk, and butter. Then cover the food processor and start to blend for a minute or until it's blended very well. And grab a cake pan in any size or form to match the occasion. What I'm using is a matte pan because it looks fancy and I don't need more decoration. Then butter thoroughly the inner surfaces of the cake pan. Then pour the butter into the pan. Bake for about 45 minutes. Meanwhile, in a medium-sized mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of dark chocolate chips and butter. And place over a saucepan with a boiling water and medium heat. Give it a stir until you get a silky consistency. After 45 minutes, break the cake with toothpick, and if it comes out clean, that's ready to go. Take out from the oven and allow to cool. By using a table knife or something similar, run around the edges with it to allow easy separation from the pan. Then place and cover the pan with a cake tray, and in one swift, smooth movement, turn everything upside down. Lightly tap all over the underside of the baking pan to release the cake. Apply and spread the melted chocolate as desired. Garnish with toasted cashew or cashew brittle. That's all, and enjoy it with coffee or tea. Salamat sa pagtanaw, everyone, and please don't forget to subscribe, likes, and leave a comments from where you're watching from, and share and press the notification button to get an update of a new video. Bye, ciao, see you in the next one.